Hi, today let's interpret a video that teaches how to use a software called Shotcut.
Hi guys, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Today I will show you how to blur, for example, face of this bird. So it's very simple. We will need 3 filters. I will show you the complete process. So let's go. First of all, let's add a filter. Go to filters over here, click plus button and type in mask, simple shape, then click again plus button, type in blur box, plus button again, and type in mask apply. Okay, if now I click this blur box, we don't see the blur, so we want to see it. Just increase width and height to create the blur effect. You can see this in the middle of the screen, but we want to move it up to the face, so just go to simple shape, and over here you can see horizontal and vertical, so move it like this and up to the face. You can change the width and height if you need to increase the blur effect. You can rotate it, but it's useless, and you can change the shape. I will keep the rectangle for now. This is good for static videos, but if something or someone is moving on your video, you need to, for example, position over here, click S to split, or click over here, split at the playhead, and now apply other effects to this second video. It will stay the same, so all you need to do is to move this, for example, a little bit more down and see how it works. Okay, split again, move it down, okay, split again, move it left, and this is it. If I click play, for example, from here, you can see that blur follows. It's not perfect because this is just for presentation purposes, but you know the basics, so now just practice this and take some time to apply and to create your blur effect. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Drop some likes and comments below if you find this video helpful, and see you in some other tutorial. Bye bye.
Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.